Ya me be onia. I was your daily graphics today.
A daily graphic Nadia or Dinam teacher unions red flag or original contract hours and money are there abano. So himself free trimester cross semester.
Yeah.
And no na once so contract hours no say yakwa kodoso ama wo munti wo so chro madwene say okasa ho nche.
Yeah.
Nti munchirichim na Juabenhene na sese otra so ahwe Juabenhene Daasebre we ono na otra so ahwe ni nua pani ayi no ma bibia akoyie.
Okay.
So much remo ese entebia obedi opani no hene no na otwe new Juabenhene a oti ni panifo we kura no Juabenhene Oti Boateng na oda femu.
Okay.
Na mom no ni nua pani otu osiribo.
Apuye mantem asem ne yeken. Okay.
Na say new Juaben apuye mantem de na new Juaben.
Yeah.
Ana old Juaben.
Okay.
Eya santi mantem.
Yeah.
Daasebre otu osiribo. Ana Oti Boateng na oti okwekura no. Nti otu osiribo na ehwe ama yi no huntutu en bibia akoso.
Okay.
Eno daily graphic bo ho amane ana oswafo hwe sikasem so owura keno foriata ese binum si o mani sikasem atete apansam ayese no ode statement about no ka say enye sa kra na tie na wo hwe afia etwa mu no a eba na wieye no Ghana Revenue Authority wobo homodin papa AXCD one more target.
Okay.
Nti say enyina so osi one more XCD on target no 265.39 million Ghana cedis represent 0.5%. Tinacha say enida so
man for redomo. Okay, but with this particular one say target in your XCD but sika ne ye be ye den. Eno na ya Ghana for your pese hu. So my XCD target na say you raking in a lot of revenue. Sika ba ye de be ye den.
Na be say bisa say target no afibia na nya fie nkwa na ya chio. Yeah. Where I exceed the target, we exceed the target no ya dinina. Ye ti dan so still no Ghana ye de ka.
I know the on say it is because of the this can here. And yes, the target in here can say all can no akaka won say and no sika ye make ye no ye de be ye say ye de shaha ye de ye say na abua Ghana fo nyina hu but ba be ka say we yes the target mo see the target na ye de
Foriata e dia ode aba eno no na call graphic back page ene win or come home. Black Stars.
Oh, yeah, someone.
Na yase bustu omo. Black Stars to receive $5,000.
For red amon battle home so mama na fe men kwa homa no se ne kwatwetwe nkoma besia for Mr. Jacob Anaba vice president Nagrat menene nchiche nkoma emfa statement o mo show no Mr. Anaba what me nka me watching
meju so me nia
baby aboko de ba me ma official panso. Okay, great. And to me battle unions in education release a by me sure say okay home be. Okay, great. And you know Nsem ne say ntia we mo.
Nsem no say now no say deputy director general Dr. Tano issue statement say from this academic year basic schools instead of trimester no semester any SHS semester no omo introduce because of double track no a permanent future and I feel say any kwans no because a major change and the stakeholders are your education we need to discuss it.
Okay, me bacho me bacho yemfa ne mako first basic school there na wo kan actually currently there na wo ho and per this new directive there na besisa
currently 3 semesters.
Okay,
3 terms.
And there were first term, second term, third term. And a new directive way actually saying
a 2 terms in
basic school.
Yes.
Yeka basic school kindergarten.
Yes.
And the omobeye first term, second term asa
semesters
for the year. And I'm a in every term how many months in a womb?
Okay, I say 3 months.
But with this new directive, about how many months?
More than 4 months. Going to 5 months.
Okay. And the nature said this time, Omoko first term almost 5 months. Second term, so almost 5 months. Okay.
Yes.
After it was me, Yemba SHS, almost so the net is saying.
And also bear the same. As because of double track, because now in Corano doors. But double track, I buy say this year, Nyambwa, I'm facing it out. That's just a double track, no of you. So we have to go back to our 3 terms now.
Okay.
Yeah.
But say, how much it will stay.
Yes.
Not just say SHS, SHS, a better 2 terms.
2 terms.
And I'm how on saying, Obibeka say, wait, dear, say, 3 terms, near this one, but 2 terms, a bebo, Anna.
How not also? One of the things that workload, no, according Canona, Uko Chirado or SHS, one period between 40 minutes to 45 minutes. She say I call 1 hour. And the Uchran Korano work 2 periods. Between after an hour now, 1 hour 30 minutes, Korana break. Now we'll teach an Okurawa break. Fatigue set in. Then just additional and Konani and Korano moon just they can absorb from a certain period in time. Breno Bedos.
I mean, now, also, yeah, 40 minutes per period, meboa.
40 to 45, yes.
Okay, 40 to 45.
Yeah.
I mean, moving on to 1 hour, no. It's just about who teacher, and first of all, obe conscientize who says say who call 1 hour, and who deploy teaching methods a be arousing kolano, after 40 minutes, and kolano moda. And to would teach an idea now obey ya or the Beshem Kolanin crime moment who say you call 1 hour more tradia. That's all.
At this trainer this piano resting here pa because body do very I say resty to recoup whatever it has lost within the period of learning and not teaching. So rest here. Inti ni ebe manu say period instead of ebia ebe pombe 1:30 and 2 no ebe call 3:30 towards 4. Let's just say period no I very long in the school.
Me pacha wo
at the breath.
Me pacha wo ye wo enkola ne pon school me to me extra classes more. Enkola ne pon school to me kra be fie na ya employ teachers. Mama Betcher, my dear. Oh, Brenna, no more, no. So there is nothing new. At the end of the day,
it may be like that, but a change.
No, what is the change here? The
no matter for extra classes. Classes now more the same course now more, you know. Apart from no, only say semester system is modeled on courses. In 2 year course, you change to another course. But basically, SHS, it's supposed to be a subject. Into Ubaya throughout. Into the semester system is model for mature students. Ebia University, 2 year course, you take another course. But in basic and then the SHS, that is not how it is modeled. You learn biology from SH1 to SH3 is biology.
Me practical because my child dear pain and I recall and I make sure Pretech Ewa Kosombo complex number 2 no.
That's good.
Now ye pon by 1:30. But in Kolanico break no masiaba near Dwaso ya chiroma dear extra classes. And e can hobi near pon by 4 no mu coffee.
Yes.
It's the same thing this new introduction Edeba. Nothing has changed. And
the working hours as and that one is a condition of service. It has to be negotiated for. Okay,
and
that is another aspect of it.
Now we are looking at condition of service.
Yes,
because
anything like Medica said, we are not involved in any discussion.
Okay, because they say more by extra hours.
Extra hours. That's what.
And there was here Chiamoka. Which means you are only thinking about yourself without thinking about the pupils or the children.
No. Why are you saying that?
Now because
apart from So that we should model it in such a way that even as we continue, the children will not suffer that much. That is the other aspect I mentioned. Almost one baby. Men can't say maybe it's calculated and come when I will buy it.
Okay, but aside the fact to say, I was say at least you're topping me up because more by year Jumadeno. Like this new initiative there, and your bonnie is okay, right?
Oh, Nyayake, double tacky by yes, so because him say, the under the circumstance, that is the only way you were able to come out of it. We accepted it, we embraced it. Mkonform we juma o kitchen. Omu ni break bi, omu ni kitchen juma. Heat ni sem, enti mala omu gu ho no. Omu coffee a bra omu kumu na enye easy. So we need to model in such a way that everyone in the system no won't go to the extreme end of tiredness or breath to that extent. And I said the initial thing is that we should sit down and discuss it and understand the philosophy behind it and see the way forward, how it can be modeled better for all of us.
Mezana the new curriculum, textbooks aba.
Debut
and see, why is it that unions in education, you are not concerned about textbooks and you are always concerned about more conditions of service? You are not thinking about the children. Why?
Are you sure you haven't heard us talk about textbook?
No, but but it should be something. Yes, but it should be something that you're concerned. There be more trumpet.
We are much concerned.
Unions in education, more can say. Oh, you are thinking about the children. Textbook so. But more release in a bar. It's about conditions of service.
I'm not probably out there from maybe some textbook now. As a member will update. No,
and it's your friend was out. Just as our issue release, the release should come often and talk about textbooks as well.
Me see, now not for conference. Me can come as a textbook as him. Now, president
and our president can say.
The minister this year they are on it.
And you are not on the neck of the minister. Say
more down the neck. I'm not on to me brief cry. What be sano?
But at the end of the day, more conditions of service there who here pa.
Who's the motivation here pa? For more than how many years would our test the teachers are doing well. We have a teacher pack. Teachers have resources that they can at their disposal multi-use. Yes, we if you say in Colorado one more textbook no. Because teacher for we have varied way of getting material to teach them.
Okay. But are you saying, sir, if GES goes ahead, not or more implementing this initiative, teacher for Montreal?
Oh, sure said they will go ahead because definitely they know they need us. Since we have written to them.
No.
We will definitely go to that.
Okay, I understand that very well, but you might not know the decision of GES. So almost decide this.
Difficult. They always engage us. It will be 1 in a million. So they will go ahead with that.
So my engagement more Montreal.
Engage
assistance now. No, me bow.
Yes, that is it.
Omo decide this omo engage mo Montreal.
Yes.
Montreal. Mezanaba.
Yeah, ni omo beka.
Ni mezanaba. GES decide they say omo engage mo because omo decision e final. Mo betra dia na Montreal.
They can't do without us.
No, you can't say they can't do without you. Definitely, they need you. But sometimes decision need be or the amode ban policies need be or it was so implement it. What if they decide they say this is the way to go? Mobetra dia na Montreal.
Oh, I know we do we'll cross the bridge. No. I don't think that we have reached that.
We are there now. Into the more issue statement.
You are preempting something I don't know about.
But we are there now into the more issue statement.
Yes.
And say GES insist say this is the way to go. Mr. Anaba, mo be chirade and asa mon chirade.
Yes, Daddy.
Mon chirade.
Yes.
It means that the children should suffer.
No. That will make sure that GS refer to the table and will discuss the matter. When him say I have many strikes in Myanmar. Yeah, cost strike or move prayer. Yeah, discuss it. Yeah, within a week and 2 weeks. If you are not happy about something, you must indicate the reason why you are not happy. No matter now only on my discussion. But
so far, issue statement, Mati BBF Yomoho.
And no, I have an issue here. I'm sure today.
As at this morning, Monte
Daddy.
Really?
Daddy.
Well,
maybe Yanti, but again,
Monday that's at BB. Well, my reading some of the messages for teachers for about say, Asempa, good morning. Teachers are learning from the politicians. We are also thinking about ourselves only. Each one for himself, God for us all. Ms. Anaba, do you subscribe to this text message?
Oh, we are not thinking about ourselves only. It's not right.
Really?
We are doing what our nation has put in our hands to do to help in the development of our country. And
the nation put said munye and famboa yang.
Yes.
And you need to sacrifice.
Who bibina MY say ka ho asem.
O say.
Me say who ye bibia MY say ka ho asem.
Mate, me sana mama me na wase bebre why hasum drink out. Great, right. For Mr. Jacob Anaba, Vice President, Nagrati, and in the Nutrition Command, it's about 6 minutes to the top of the hour. Hi, Adom 106.3 FM. Still, you're big now, Homano Sonafe, Yane, Honorable Doctor Engineer Nana Atu Ata, Yanina Nutrition Command, head of local government service. Indeed, the engineer and the Nutrition Command, the Civil and Local Government Staff Association of Ghana, CLOSAT. More declares more intention to embark on an indefinite strike. Now, Diana, Honorable Doctor Engineer Nana Atuata, Famu. Honorable, but you to make I'm watching. Yo, Bibia Bokoze.
I'm not doing it.
Yate won't catch her.
Yo,
number two, Ugrofi was walk or strike. What's what? What's it about didn't walk or strike?
And I get you some conditions of service. Now, close executive. I will lead the association. No, who made what declare one intention.
Right.
Don't pedal strike. But I mean, and I pray I'm framing as a stress, I'm not stress as a secretary and an executive. Nine upon worship commitment. Are you doing that? In Burka King, senior presidential advisor, and now only a band minister for labor relations, employment and labor relations, or fair wages, Ministry of Finance. Was she a closer? And on them, may head local government service in Macahon, and you are paying another head of civil service. Okahon, you good that, yes, the Mrs. Ye, yes, in common. Accept that, as an association, Bakacho there, Bob was on I go. On commodern and when you assemble there, catching him, my agent, my name, won't cut that one thing out of tribunal. I want you to. But I'm actually because I want to show commitment to them. My own gate, you could do years in command. I had not right. You sure that my agent a ban will be able to consider for us. Except that is young Kubuzimino.
Honorable Doctor Engineer Nana Tuata, but you mean Bisawo, a bejatum there, close act for one conditions of service on Shedan Koya, a bejatum dema. Okay. Great. All right. Not just the one because our conditions of service on Koye.
Mama come, but abundance on a budget.
Right.
You find the would you make 8,000? Miss Obamunko 5,000. Asa. Abana se me ntumi nya 5,000. Ebi amenya 2A. Asa. Ono na yegudo ye kasa. Nti mejitu akatua ntum no koye ameka obi.
But Messi man komodino okwan mobocho definitely aban be ye bibia afa ho a.
Senior minister, former senior advisor, Ozeyim, Monyezi Comonese, me there definitely upon baby Biafra.
Okay, since you are pede your strike until that Ben will be Biafra on them a strike and
Darempo, there's a meeting. In fact, last week, Manchester engaged in media or the local government referred to as media soiree. The secretary was with that. Then I pleaded. Any Dara may come easy, head of civil service, Afanum, there as a Kasipa, the Naraman Fancy Foam. My the Adom the head of civil service, the council, MMA council, that's the local government service council, head of and the civil service council. A BNE, you engage Grotan. And see, you go to Bar in Dara, there's a meeting, was in our president advisor in office. The mattress, maybe I will be a mattress. They're closer. When you have a financial commitment, you know.
And then what is the agenda of the meeting? Walk tonight.
It's the same. One intent here. What declare on in a senior minister after a meeting there. You can come up that easy.
Right.
In the Abans will say hotel, non common, only.
Okay.
That's where we are.
But you share the details of the conditions of service. About in a war pay.
Akatiantum
by what percent?
Oh, much more details. Mekana has a note there. Has a missing
no, but honorable, definitely. Oboto when you know what catch all day be a 20%, 5%.
On a message there of Obama's and then Mutumaka there, which now 40%, Abang 10%, and I don't know, Mama can to go this year.
But one Casa what percent was it more 1 hour come about to him?
On the Yam may decide.
But I can't be. What Casa?
No, can't be, but me is he in there as a local government service, you know. Me, upon the side.
Yeah.
I am the head of local government service. I belong to the process. And you know, me, Bebeka there, I'm not in that area as a senior presidential advisor who lead Abano, the Minister for Employment, the Minister for Finance. I believe the one of Wutumaka there, this year, Abani 10%, Abanja 15%. No, Mazi.
Okay, Honorable Pacho, which side are you? Our banner side and I work closer for one side.
As the head local government service, Makawaka, no.
Mobacho, our one side, Moboa. And whatever their concerns are, a bit champion one concerns.
Not all. Them baby are me we. Say, what's it? Aban or shredder, about him, 1 million. Them come up music 8%, 3%. Now, mass for my dream. Most of conditions are your Ghana and them breed. Sikaji Wires, Sikaji na Oba Bemino. Now, Banu Jinadoso will try in our cow. Me, 100% that mepe. But about to make Yana.
Okay.
My dream will you on them.
And
you know, I am closer, but about to be Anna and me. Mejnado.
Ana mbacho metewase da no de ejiran finfin mo boa. Ejiran finfin because entimu kwa aba no entimu kwa closer go nti baby me ejina no mo bocho esha to balance it because ejiran finfin percentage ben what my one crofo a agenda oboboa ban oboboa one crofo.
These are the same question I meant to me.
No.
The same question
because of baby Majina.
Yeah, 1% 20%, 1 a day. Meaning to get conversation about the table. Now the men are close against Abba. The men are senior minister and the team worker. And see, I mean, in Adamra, yeah, heads, you know, them in a one about to mark a day, baby, I had the only consider. Although, do rooftop public hobby, but Edward no kind of unsure there. About being a
right.
And you know, you good at your casa.
I don't know what the rooftop can be 100%.
Oh, my 100%
Oh, okay, great. As a
100% impedance.
But
now, about to make you, mamma.
Honorable, about didn't know Chada Banon to Muntia.
Oh, for your money. You know, my money, yet to me in some of COVID, Mwakofaba. Sikasema no one is in all over the world. And so,
honorable,
Abano, Mr. De Mama 100% I could turn to man. Abano, or cover them Sikano or him was it here.
Honorable Bacho, what Bapawa were catching the Yatiscados were coming. You told us that you had the men. And you know,
say, am I easy far closer to come on? Can my person there as a baby as my face because this year at the head local government service. Supreme Court or ban him there overtly. Moon to Kadem, me MPP, me PPP, them. As I say, I catch them there.
Oh, Bajamati.
Them no Kaya. And that me a minister.
Good. Honorable Doctor Engineer Nanatuata, Asunjin Kong. We wish you well. All right. But as every, I was here for on the head of local government service, and the church government. It's about 2 minutes after 8 and the AFCON 2021, all the updates, bro. Quite interesting. It's a big teams, you know. Tito, I said, Bafo Radio Amo. Sorry, Nafi, Mame, Ghanaian Times in the Yanko. Ghanaian Times today, Bonito Nyanko. I wonder, Brad, never be Wajuma.
I reckon the Furiata say economy, no. I say Ghanaian Times. And Upuni goes to Supreme Court again.
Okay. To
stop judge from sitting on case.
Right.
And Dr. Forson so and Oko Court causing financial loss to the states. And COVID-19 safety protocol, Nesenkra. That's what worry.
Some
children, they are baby, you teach and so much. Yeah, Ghanaian Times. Daily Guide.
Yeah,
say 2.37 million euro. NDCA Trotro ambulance at Forson trial begins today.
Hey.
Okwe denies soldiers protection. Former Speaker of Parliament now. One say current Speaker of Parliament.
Yeah. I want some. The former Speaker of Parliament said there was no way of Moman military protection. No, but 3 policemen. Yeah.
Bakontra open trial adjourned to January 31. Customs officer sues Captain Smart for 100 million Ghana cedis defamation.
Wow.
Nash say delegate there or day Milo gives excuse for poor show.
But the young and Bafo what GDA?
GDA Black Stars there Obian supported Black Stars and Simi. Now there have me so one go project no keep go coach in the Saba quite since or buy a basin there. On say 2 goals there.
Oh, Bafo.
Oh, there be Bianca no cre. Coach he buy a match band or buy 2 goals.
Yeah.
There be a one.
Now so pe coach asemsa.
Oh, there is a penasem. Senka or say 2 you say oh I resemo ho se kra no motia we se biaka we the 1 sa there.
Well, but for you just say me
concern be.
Yeah, concern is.
Motorway no so.
Aha.
Wo free interchange no so tema you need interchange no buy no for.
Our back.
Ever to boot no.
Okay.
Every while bano omo trailers to great Burkina for trailers
omo park wo ho pa
no ma kwana fa na ka too late
asemo
motorway no so say street lights ni so
yeah
what my assume
yeah omo me kai say me sane asama ho e be si motorway no omo park wo da
no omo gia trailers no ma gini nyina na ka one
ma for concern with our champion it e be ka wasempa be ka wasempa as a papa na ba